Good morning, children. Welcome to today's session number 38. We have finished our chapter number 1, States of Matter. We have learned about the solids, liquids, and gases, and physical change, chemical change. So far, we have finished the keywords also, hard work. How many of you are reading at your home now? After finishing the class, are you reading the textbook and the notes? Many of the parents are complaining that you are not reading, so please read the textbook as well as the question answers also. Today we will write the question answers. Describe the three states of matter. What is the first question? Describe the three states of matter. Only notes today. Describe the three states of matter. Matter is existed in these states, no? Matter exists in three states. Matter exists in three states. What are they? Solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three states of matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Next question. Give an example to show that give an example to show that the states of matter are interchangeable. Are interchangeable. Already we have learned no, that matters these solids, liquids, and gas are interchangeable. For that we have to write the example. Okay, states of matter. Answer: states of matter are interchangeable. Okay, example. On heating ice, ice changes it changes into water. It changes into water. Again on heating this water, again on heating this water, again on heating this water, it will change into steam now. This water, it changes into steam. It changes into steam. Right? On heating ice, changes into water. On heating water, it changes into steam. Okay? Next point. On cooling down, steam changes into water. On cooling down, steam changes into water. Again on cooling, water changes. Again on cooling this water, again on cooling the water changes into ice. Like steam on cooling changes into water. Water on cooling changes into ice. Ice to water, water to steam. Steam to water, water to ice. Right here. So the answer in simple way it is like this: ice to water, water to steam. Okay. Again same thing. Steam to water and and water to ice on cooling. This is on heating and this is on cooling. Okay, that is why this is called interchangeable. That means ice to water, water to steam. Again same steam to water, water to ice. Overall these three states are changing, but again we are getting same thing now. On heating, on cooling, that's why it is called as interchangeable. Only these two questions you have to learn and write one time meeting today. And we write the multiple choice questions that are given here in the textbook and writing answers on the board. But homework is to write only these two questions one time. Describe the three states of matter, matter exists three states, solid, liquid and gas. Give an example to show that the states of matter are interchangeable. Interchangeable and example enti states of matter are interchangeable. Example, on heating ice changes into water. Again on heating this water it changes into steam. On cooling down steam into water. Again on cooling water changes into ice. Ice to water to steam and steam to water to ice. On cooling down, steam changes into water. On cooling down, steam changes into water. Again on cooling, water changes into ice. So this is your second answer. Now multiple choice question. First one, sowing of curd is a dash change. Palu perugu avutundi kada. What type of change it is? B. Chemical change. Okay. Next one. Molecule is made up of small units called as atoms. First one, second one, third one. The matter that takes the shape of the container. A container lo poste a container shape తీసుకునేది liquids. B. Okay. Fourth one. The matter in which molecules are quite apart and కొంచెం distance లో ఉండేవి ఏంటి? Liquids. And fifth one, burning of paper is an example for chemical change. Example of the physical change is changing of water into ice. B. So note down this one and only you have tried these two questions homework neatly one time. Send your homework to the Hindi teacher and while sending write your name and session properly. This is all for today children. Thank you.